my channel. I am Soaring Club, and today we gonna make a shooter game in Scratch, and we are gonna make the game more challenging by making the enemy as coronavirus, and we are gonna make the player as a spray sanitizer, and we are gonna give players lives. And let's get started. So guys, we are starting shooter game part 1. So first of all, I'm gonna cut this sprite and make a new backdrop. So let's get started. So guys, our backdrop is completed and I'm going to start working on the sprite. So let's get started.
is completed, and let's start coding for the spray. First I will go to events, and when flag clicked, motions and point in direction 90 degrees, and when I click this flag, when the game starts, I want the spray to be, I think, this area, in this area, like 150, I think 150 and minus 150, and I think little bit 150 and 4, I think. Okay, 150, oh sorry, minus 150, 150 and 4. Okay, and now we do controls, pick out forever, and then motions, and point towards the mouse pointer, which is the mouse, and I'm going to go to controls and select if, and if key up arrow is pressed, if key up arrow is pressed, then go up. I think it's a little bit, I think I want the spray to move freely, so I will take out change Y by 4, okay, and I'm going to duplicate it, and change down arrow and change Y by minus 4. Okay, and another duplicate and another. Okay, and here I will write if the down arrow is pressed, if down arrow is pressed, oh sorry, down arrow, if left arrow, and for here right arrow, and change X by 4, and change X by minus 4. Okay, and now I will test it. Okay, it's moving freely, and I think there's a little bit problem in the point towards mouse pointer, and I'm going to go to mouse. Sorry, I forgot to put the spray in the middle, and I'm going to put it in the middle right here. Okay, and as you can see, the spray is moving freely. And now I'm going to make bullet like water drops for the spray, so it can shoot out. And so let's get started. I think I'm done with the water drop, and it's time to it is enough for this video. And don't forget to watch part 2 of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you all next time. For now, goodbye.